YouTube, what's up? My name's CenturyHornet. This video, guys, we have an aircraft which is, well, what Flight Radar 24 tells us from our phone. This is Jet Airways, Airbus A330-300. Arrived from Brussels, Belgium, in the stopover flight. So I think it operates from some city in India. I do apologize, I don't know what it is. I think it's Bombay or Mumbai. Makes a stopover at Brussels, and then right here to Toronto. And is our first large heavy that we got. So we're kind of excited. She's coming in good. We thought she might take 2 for left and 2 for right because most of them are there. Pakistan International Airlines, Boeing 777-200 long range, ain't far away as well. All right, YouTube, here we go. The Jet Airways Airbus A330-300.